All right, I got a 2013 Cadillac ATS. It's got a straight six engine, but it has an overheating issue. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna air check the cooling system and see what we got here. I'm using these two kits here. Okay, we got this kit here. So I got her her cap here. So we gotta find one that matches up. What was that it? I'm sure. What was that it? Let's see. Okay, looks like that it. Okay, that's a 35 piece radiator pressure tester. I got it from Amazon for about 80 bucks. Now this here is a turbo. This is a, come on, stupid thing. It's a turbo leakage tester, but you can really use it on any kind of vehicle intake system to check for leaks. So we got this here. This is the little thing. I'll put it on here like this. And I'm going to turn it down some. Oh, that won't work. Okay. And we got to get one of these here, which comes with the turbo leakage kit. And on this tester, you want to turn your air compressor down to about 10 pounds. What I got to do, so I'm gonna stop the video here. All right, I just turned my compressor down to about 10 or 15, and just move it over here a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Now I'm gonna hook up the air and see what we got. And make sure you go. We got a leak. Find out where the leak's coming from. The air pressure build back up. Try to find where this leak's coming from. smoke test it. Oh shit. Okay, let's do it again. See what we got. Find a leak. Try a different cap here. Try a different cap. If I got a different one. See. I guess that's it, I guess. Put it on there really tight. Yeah, I'm trying to pinpoint where the air coming out. Okay, we got somewhere up in here. Where is that gotta? do it again. Okay, like we found it. Okay, it has something to do. Looks like it has something to do with this lower tank here. Okay, I think we found a problem. Looks like it's this lower tank here. Okay, stop the video here. Okay, looks like I found it. Okay, I found it right here. Okay. So that looks like that might be it. Okay. Two little holes there. Okay. Okay, this is the next day on the Cadillac ATS. I plugged those holes right there. I used this little plug kit I got from Amazon, and I'm still trying to chase down coolant system leaks. I got the setup here I showed from last night. Runs over to the compressor. So I found one leak. I'm gonna show it. Okay, so I found one leak here. There's one leak. So I gotta get that leak tightened up, because over here on this side of the motor, I don't know if I can show it. I'll take it. We got some stuff going on over here. I gotta tighten that leak up and see. And also, you can look on the front of the motor. It's antifreeze been slung. So I gotta see. I gotta kind of see what that is. So it's just a work in progress on trying to get everything figured out here. So I'm gonna. Okay, so look like overflow tank, and I went to take that off. So that's one thing we got to replace. Okay, this is a couple of weeks later. We had to order some parts online. The auto parts store locally didn't have these two parts here. Let me show. We got both of these parts off of eBay. Let's see, we got a part number. Let's see, go here. So we just got this part here. Here it is on eBay, and we just got this part. The other part we got off of eBay. tank. So there we go. Here that is. So let me go ahead and get ready. Pretty easy little job taking this off. It's not really catching it. Use these little ankle pliers here. Okay. That's where it broke it right there. And now we're gonna get this hose off here. Make sure I'm getting it in. Real easy job. Okay. And a little clip under here. Okay, it's over here. Trying to get the best angle. Okay. Yeah, that line had a piece break off in it. That piece broke off, and I decided to go and replace the whole thing. I want to get the clips off. I really don't like these kind of clips, but I could prefer a hose clamp with the screw on it. And once we get this back on, I'm gonna have to air check the system and check for leaks, get that clamp off. Put that on. Okay. Can I get that in? Okay. Put that on there. Okay. Okay. Over here. Charter man. Oh, they come with a cap. Hey, what's up? I gotta get my set here because I'm gonna have to air check it. Okay. 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 And what did I do with the... All right. This one here. Okay. Turn my air compressor down. Turn it down to 10 pounds. going to do one more test. I'm going to plug that and plug that. So we're going to do one more test here. Okay. Let's see what we at here. Oh, there's a leak. Okay, like we got a little it's kind of bad, guys. Oh, I got it. Okay. Okay, it's down in there somewhere. Oh, I think I see something. Let me see. Okay, I got it. I don't know where the leak's coming from. All right, I'm checking again. Oh, yeah, that leak's bad. Oh, boy. I'm gonna take this off and pull the coil pack. Got you that. I gotta do that. Oh. Look at that. Do the test again. Socket to pull that. Okay, I'm back on the the Cadillac ATS. I got a leak somewhere in the back of the engine. I'm not sure if it's the head or if it's where it's coming from. So I'm gonna try to use the smoke machine here, and I got that little guy for $80 on Amazon at the beginning of the year of 2024. So I just got it plugged up there, and had the wind blowing. Get my working outside, the wind blowing. So we're gonna see what we got going. See if they come out. Maybe you can give me something here.
I don't know what's wrong with that light. It's saying that low tire. I got 50 pounds of each one of them.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it could be. We'll see. Yeah, we'll have to look at it and see. We got smoke coming out of here. Got smoke coming out. This is not a high pressure smoke machine, so I don't know if it's gonna have enough, but we'll see. I'll see. Let's see if it's coming from. I need to get a light. A light right there. Okay, we got something going here. Well, that's one thing about working outside. You got the wind blowing and yeah, I might not have enough. See. Hey, look up top to see if you see any smoke.
Okay.
I'm right down here at the bottom. Yeah, it's on the back of the engine. I'll talk to the camera here. Trying to. You see any smoke up there? Oh, yeah. It's hard to pinpoint.
You ain't got the engine running anyway.
Well, you know I ain't gonna have the engine running. No, I can't do that.
No, you ain't got the air compressor on either, so push
The compressor's on. It's
it is?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's got the battery fluid today.
Yeah, the smoke's coming out. It's like I said, it's not a high pressure.
Okay. It's coming out, can you see any coming out down on the bottom?
No, you see anything?
I don't see anything either.
Oh man. Oh, there's the here is the. I was looking for this here. I was looking for that. Went to the junkyard and stole a couple of those. But so you don't see no smoke, huh?
Nope, don't see none.
Yeah, maybe. I think I kind of see a little bit of haze coming out.
Can you see something coming out down there?
No, I think I see a little bit of a haze. I don't know, because you know the smoke machine is filled with mineral oil, so it had a smell. But I don't. Yeah.
Smoke leak detector. Yeah. The green light is going. And
Yeah, that's done. Yeah.
red light on saying smoke.
Yeah.
I don't see none up here.
Yeah. I don't know why they designed it so. Why it's the back of the motor is so tight up against the.
The block.
Yeah, the front. Yeah, you could barely reach your hand back
I
there.
know it. Ain't that stupid?
You almost gotta like take the transmission off just to get
Just to get to the shit.
Yeah, pull a motor or something. You know, this is yeah. Now the other day, Larry, he's a skinny guy. He's able to sneak his hand back there, but
Terrell,
huh?
when you go to Home Depot, get a couple of long wood screws. I had a couple of screws.
I got some downstairs. Let me turn this off. All right, I got the smoke machine hooked up, but it's not coming out anywhere. So maybe I guess I'm not that familiar with this setup here. So maybe it's okay. The car do need valve cover gaskets. And when I pulled the spark plug out, it was drenched in oil. Probably need a PCV valve. So I guess I'm gonna throw some antifreeze in there and see if it leaks. Okay, I put some water in there. I'm just checking for a leak or anything. I admit I'm not that familiar with this platform here, but it had a little air leak when I was doing the pressure test. So we just gotta test it out and see what happens. All right, this Cadillac ATS has had a rough idle. So what I'm doing now is I'm fixing the vacuum lines on it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open that. There you go. I'm gonna cut it right here. Okay. Just kind of do like that. Okay. And now got one here. Yeah, I gotta cut that. So hopefully I got some big enough better. Well, we gotta cut it. So let's see. Hopefully that piece. Okay. 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 All right, let's see if that's not big enough. See, I got something here. Looks big enough, I think. Okay, that looks big enough. Put it in there like that. And okay. Like that. Right in there. Yeah, looks like that. Okay. Okay, now let's see. We put it. Get it on there. Okay. Let's see that getting back on there. Okay. A little long, but okay. Okay. Put that in there like that. Yeah, I'm just not sure about that leak in the coolant system when I pressurize it. So we just have to run it and see what happened. And maybe somebody that works for GM see this video, maybe they can give me some pointers. We got another one over here. This one's broke. Thinking I ain't reaching, I ain't get it. It's gonna be a little hard to get. Oh man. Okay, look, I'm gonna have to take that off. Okay, man, that's tighten or what? Yeah, maybe it's okay, but I'm just not sure for the leak. And gotta redo this one because what a piece of that. Yeah, this one here that was cracked, so I'll redo that one. Yeah, which hose was I using? Okay. So we just gotta turn this. Okay, take that off. Gonna need a piece that reaches from here to there. That's too loose. The other piece that I have. Okay. Okay. Turn it like that. So, cut it. Here. Now we gotta go over here. See. pull some codes on it too and see if the codes is saying. Okay, let's see. See if that'll fit. Yeah, that's not. Okay, that'll work. Okay. All right. There, we just did fix the vacuum lines. I might include in this video. I went to the junkyard a couple of years ago, and I went to various junkyards a couple of years ago, and I went to like a lot of different cars and pulled out the vacuum lines. You know, so. I think this one might have came from the auto parts store. I don't. This current one came from the junkyard. So yeah, that kind of stuff really helps you out. I might include it in this video, some of the bags. So I just did that. Okay, so include that one. Yeah, I cut a piece of vacuum line there. Let's see. I'm gonna put some. Let me see how. Okay. Let me see, what am I gonna put on there? Try to do silicone. Alright, I'm gonna try a little silicone on there. Try to fill it up. Yeah, my local junkyard don't have any of these in the yard, so a little bit of this on there. Also, that lets somebody know that it's been kind of repaired. So if somebody different go to work on the car, they'll be well, hopefully they'll be a little bit more gentle on it. You gotta do what you gotta do when the budget's tight. You gotta get creative. Okay, it's gonna probably be a long video, but go. All right, let's see what codes we got. Turn this off. Okay, it's GM. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we got 5 active codes, so let's go to pending codes. Okay, so we got 5 active codes. Let me get a customer and call. Okay, I want to show off my junkyard vacuum line collection. I got these from various junkyards. They definitely come in handy. Some of them are new, but most of them are from the junkyard. You just go to different cars and just pull them off, and get you a couple of bags like these, and that'll really help you out. Since I fixed the vacuum line, the car is running a lot smoother. So those junkyard vacuum lines help. Since I fixed the vacuum line, the car is running a lot smoother. So those junkyard vacuum lines help. Okay, I'm back on the Cadillac ATS, and it seems to be doing okay. I just don't know why it was making that leaking noise when I was doing the air check. Now I'm going to turn on the air conditioning, see what happens. It stays within operating range. Look it up and see what the operating temperature is. So I guess it's good. Do a little bit more. I use coolant, Eastwood coolant fill kit. I can use a little bit more. All right. Like it's fixed. Temperature drop down. We'll check the air conditioning. Okay. AC coming out nice and cold. So, yeah, it's looking like it's fixed. Like I said a couple of times already, I'm not sure, where that leaking was coming from. When I was doing an air check to test for other leaks in the cooling system. So, it's looking like this project is all wrapped up, and time to get it out my hair, I guess.